Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Pendulum GLP-1 Probiotic, a gut health supplement tied to appetite and metabolism regulation. We tested it to see if it's legit or just another scam. Pendulum includes targeted probiotic strains that claim to help boost GLP-1 activity in the gut, which can reduce appetite and help balance blood sugar. During testing, we noticed improved digestion, more satiety, and slightly less snacking. However, results were gradual and subtle, not dramatic weight loss. The pros are its unique probiotic strains, potential GLP-1 support, and digestive health benefits. The cons are that it's very expensive, requires daily consistency, and results are not guaranteed for everyone. Overall, Pendulum GLP-1 Probiotic is legit in concept and design, but whether it's worth the steep price depends on your health goals. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.